There's something that came to me, walking on a country road. There's something that came to me, and I thought you'd want to know. You're one of Earth's children. You're one of a kind. You're a child of the earth, you know, and you have a light that shines. So let your little light shine, shine through your smile. Let your little light shine as you're stopping a while and asking somebody new, how do you do, my friend? Just let your little light shine, shine through your tears. Let it shine through your doubts, let it shine through your fears. For where your light shines, we see things more important than fear. Yes, you're a child of the earth. You're one of a kind. Nobody else has your light to shine. So child of the earth, shine on, shine on. Just let your little light shine, shine through your wondering how it could be. The lightning, the thunder, in the magical web that the spider has thunder in the night. How it could be the thunder inside of our hearts when we see the world and we know we're a magical web of all of Earth's children of light. Yes, you're a child of the earth. You're one of a kind. Nobody else has your light to shine. So child of the earth, shine on, shine on. Just let your little light shine, shine through a song. Let it come from your heart, let it pull us along. For when your heart sings, the world echoes the sound of your light. Yes, you're a child of the earth. You're one of a kind. Nobody else has your light to shine. So child of the earth, shine on, shine on, shine on, shine on, shine.
Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for rejoining us. I know Kathy Beckwith is with us. So Kathy, would you turn on your camera for just a minute so we can say thank you so much for that lovely reminder of Child of the Earth. And tell us a little bit, Kathy, did you write that song? How did that happen?
Like the song says, I was walking along the road and these thoughts just started coming to me. You are a child of the earth. You're one of a kind. Nobody has your light to shine. And then I left this little do-do-do-do part because I wanted to sing that to the young mediators, the kids that I work with at school. So that song became my theme song with them. And then when I went to juvenile department, there was a verse there. And, you know, other groups, hey, I had a little, you know, you are a child of the earth, Linda. And we all have. So I invite people to sing it and, you know, make up their own words in that part. It's just, for me, a reality. We all have a light to shine that's ours. Thank you for sharing it.
Thank you for making it for us. Yay. You know, the good news about our Zoom world is a lot of our material goes right up on the web because Evelyn's very fast at this. And